Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage your money better, follow these step-by-step instructions to reconcile your bank account like a professional. Step 1. Gather your bank statement and your personal transaction records. You'll need the statement for the period you're reconciling, plus your check register, receipts, or budgeting app data. Step 2. Compare your beginning balance in your records to the statement opening balance. These should match exactly. If they don't, investigate the discrepancy before continuing. Step 3. Go through every transaction on your statement one by one. Mark each item in your personal records as cleared when you verify it appears correctly on the statement. Step 4. Note transactions in your records that haven't cleared the bank yet. Outstanding checks or pending deposits won't appear on the statement, but need tracking until they process. Step 5. Identify transactions on the statement missing from your records. Add forgotten transactions, bank fees, or interest earned to your records with correct dates and amounts. Step 6. Calculate your adjusted bank balance by subtracting outstanding checks and adding deposits in transit to the statement's closing balance. Step 7. Compare your adjusted bank balance to your checkbook balance after adding missing transactions. These numbers should match exactly if you've reconciled correctly. Step 8. Investigate immediately if balances don't match after reconciliation. Check for math errors, missing transactions, or duplicates until you identify and resolve all discrepancies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.